Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and I'm back with a fall nail art tutorial. For my design, I'm using this pattern. Then I'm pinning it with a nude, gold, and a red-orange shade. Then let that design to dry. Now I'm applying a fast-drying top coat to my base color. After letting it to dry a bit, I stamp the design. Then do the cleanup, and I also applied top coat. Then for my thumb and ring nail, I'm applying a gold glittered top coat. And I have decided to apply a matte top coat over this nail art. Which do you guys prefer, the glossy or the matte version? If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!